Hey everyone, this is Preeti Desai and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another monthly favorites video. I have done similar monthly favorites video in my birthday month, like it is the September month. So I have done a monthly favorites video for that and I will link that video in the description box below in case you guys are interested. To be very precise, there is not only makeup products, neither there are only food products, neither there are only skincare products, but a mixture of everything. Like I have clothing, I have footwear, I have skincare, I have soft toys and so many more. So I don't want to spill the beans right away. So let's get started. So for this month, which is October, I have certain things which have been in my favorite list or in my favorite to-do list for a long time now. It has been 2 months now and I think I may be a bit late for October favorites, but I have been figuring out a lot of things for all these days. So I thought, why not show you guys? Okay, so next go, I have one thing which has been consecutively 2-month favorite of my personally, and this has helped me a lot, and I have told also certain things about this particular thing in my birthday month favorites also. So which is the Quartz roller. This quartz roller you guys have seen already, I think, and in case those who haven't seen, I will link my birthday month favorites in the description box below. This jade roller have some specifications to use, like you cannot use it when your acne have come out and your skin is breaking out and whatnot, but something it has really helped me for my oily skin ka thing, because আমার প্রচন্ড oily skin and oily skin মানে এতটাই যে it can come out like anything. Oils are all over my face whenever there is a humid weather, whenever there is a hot weather, so it is not controllable at all. But after using this, honestly, oil has controlled to a level, not fully but to a level, and I am continuing to use it, but right now I am not using it as my skin is breaking out now. You guys might have noticed that, and I will be not using it for a few days now, but after a few days I will be using it once all the acne are gone. So this is a very useful product that I have purchased in the September, and it's going strong, and I hope it will be the most favorite till December, honestly. So next go, as I've started the skincare thing, so let me introduce you one more thing about the same, is that this Himalaya face wipes. This is makeup removal tangerine facial wipes. Oh, this has resulted like a bomb in my life from the day I have purchased, because like I have to shoot videos every consecutive day or every consecutive week, and I have to remove my makeup also, though it have not been that much trouble to remove my makeup, but still I am very concerned about my skin because it is breaking out at any time, and especially when it's weather change time, my skin hardly stays normal so that I can shoot, but I cannot shoot consecutively, and I have been shooting after a really long time. My skin has broken out and I was feeling lazy, so this video is being shot after a really long time now, and this wipes has resulted like a bomb. I have told you previously also that it reduces and removes makeup like this, like you have to use it only once and all the makeups are gone, mostly 2, but I don't need to. I don't apply that much heavy makeup even when I'm shooting for the videos and even after going out also, but this has resulted like anything, and this has been in my favorite list from October. Starting for my very favorite part of October favorites are 2 clothing, like 2 only clothes I have bought in October month. So I have these beautiful tops from Urbanic. One is this. It has this cute writing mom, and this is the favorite part of this top. These 2 have been really cheap, like that was an offer going on if I remember, and buy one get one free, and I got this for free. I didn't need to pay about like anything for this top. This is the second top. It's in a horrible condition, sorry. So this is the second top. It's a tie and dye crop top, and it is very comfortable top. Both the tops are very comfortable and very skin friendly also, and most importantly these are cotton, so you don't need to take care of anything which may cause you rashes in your body. And these are my two favorite clothing from Urbanic. The next go, I have one very special thing which I have been again using from September last and October Holi and November also, and this has also resulted great, and I personally enjoy using it. It smells good also. So without wasting any time, I'm showing you guys. This is the Body Shop British Rose Shower Gel. This is absolutely bliss. This is because like I have underarm problems, and underarm smells bad, and I have these problems from long time now. After using this gel, honestly I have been like doing good. My underarms are doing also good, and it is not smelling bad. That because I can speak loudly about this problem, and it is not a thing to hide. Most of the people have it and most of the people don't, but I have it. Like I have a genetic thing of this, so this shower gel is resulting really good, and I'm highly recommending it to everyone who can use it. Please use it, because I think it is a bit costly because it is a Body Shops, but I think it will be a worthy purchase. On to the next go, I have one beauty product. You guys might find it very weird that amongst all of this I hardly have only one beauty product. Is I'm not a great purchaser of beauty products like every month, every week, because I'm not a makeup person at all. So I like buy it once in 4-5 months or once in 6-7 months. Some product, if I think it is useful, if I think I need it, then only I buy it. But this thing has been a really great thing, honestly, and I'm wearing it now also. So let me show you guys quickly. It is this green kajal. I'm wearing it now also. You guys can evident that it has been a savior of my jaldi makeup ka nuska, and whenever I forgot to apply liner, whenever I like don't feel like applying liner on my eyes, so I apply this thing, this color, particularly this color, because there are more colors as well, but that doesn't suits me at all. So this suits me. Lovely color it is, and it is smudge proof. It does not spread even after 12 hours also. So this has been on the favorite list since October only, because it has been a festive month, honestly. So this really resulted great in that case. This category has a very different category now. I don't have much products on that thing, but this is the only thing that I've been drooling around for a long time now, and I want more of it. I hope it is available now, and this is the perfume. This perfume name is Fog Red. It is by Shreya's. Very random perfume seller she is, but she makes amazing smell perfume, amazing smelling perfume, and like you can use it. You can use any of her perfume. I will make sure to link her Facebook page in the description box below in case you guys are interested to check her out. So please do it, because this particular perfume, and one more perfume is that is like that was like I think Aqua. The smell name is Aqua. The perfume name is Aqua. I can't imagine a day without that, because I used to spray it every freaking day and take it out with me, and along with me my mother also. So we both drool around that particular perfume, and also to this I cannot forget this one. I cannot ignore this one as well. Most people who know me knows very well that I love soft toys. I just can't resist soft toys, from buying it, from storing it in my house. When I see that new soft toys are out, I just cannot resist rather than buying it. So I bought one new, so which is this Pikachu, and I think you guys can preferably know him or her, whatever you call it. Now this is my very favorite thing for last few days now, last few months now, 1 month. So this has been a very great purchase, honestly, and you can see my smile, because whenever I'm talking about Pikachu, I am just smiling like this. Okay, this one I think you might find it very childish and very kid-like thing, but these things are very precious to me. I used to eat all of these things during my childhood. Like, I have to take all this in my school for tiffin and for recess time and for free time as well, and during our annual functions when we were like bored and was like chilling and taking a break. So I used to eat these packet full of happiness. So I would like to show it, which is the burst from like Bisque Farm. I have 2 more. I have actually 6 more. So these are only 3 I am showing you people, and these are again available. Like, it has been available for a long time I think, but I found it like 2 to 3 months back, and from then I'm drooling and I'm eating continuously, and I just cannot resist myself from eating all of these things. So this has been really special, honestly. So I can just talk about it very freely that I am a person who likes old things, honestly, and I think many people can relate to it. Second last category for my October month favorite is electronic device, which is only one device. I have purchased only one because I cannot purchase a lot of devices at one point. So this is the Boat AirPods. I have bought the pink color, which is actually matching to my phone's cover, and somewhere matching to my phone color also, not really matching. I was actually finding the red one because I have XR red, so, and that was not available at all. I have found in Flipkart, in Amazon, I searched everywhere, but it was not available, and I didn't want to spend much money on only buying AirPods. So this is a very worthy purchase now, because at times when I don't want to use headset, wired ka headset, I use it because that sounds difficult and this sounds easy now. The last thing, which is very special and very close to my heart, honestly, because I have bought it from my savings. Like, I was saving for it for a long time now, and I have a huge madness about this thing. And firstly, I thought I would save that much that I could buy a camera for myself, which is the Canon G7X, but I couldn't save that much, and the camera is like for 30 to 35,000, and I don't have that much savings yet, but I would definitely try to do it by next year. Not get into that, but the thing which I have bought from my own savings is very close to my heart, which is the Puma sneakers, the black shade. Okay, so I was finding this black shade for a long time, and I searched in Amazon also, because Amazon is my go-to thing to search anything in the world. So I searched there also. I have searched in Westside also. I searched in like, where did I go? Bata, Khadims, because Bata sells good sneakers nowadays, but they failed to give the quality that I wanted. They failed to give the color that I wanted, which is black. They had black and they didn't have black, and except black they had everything, so I didn't wanted that. So I kinda tried to save all the money and buy these goodies for myself, and this is really special to me, honestly. Again, your own savings thing is really special to anybody, so this is again a very, very, very special thing to me, and you can very well evident that my new, I haven't wore it yet. I have bought it, still I haven't wore it yet, but I will wear it very soon, I think. So this is my special thing ever. Yes, that's it guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked all of my October favorites, which I had installed in my favorite list for the last 1 month, and I have been a late comer, honestly, for October favorites, because I have seen a lot of YouTubers doing it, and I was just going through the timeline and was thinking, when will I do it? So finally I did it, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave your views in the comment box below, cause it's important, and press the bell icon to not miss any update about my channel and the videos I post, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.